So let's try some geometry. A grunt comes from the back. Clearly, it's Percival the pig, but Professor Pie shouts out, "That's enough from you, Lenny!" Lenny the lemming wearing lemon jumpsuit looks quite annoyed, but before he can complain, Professor turns to Donna the tabby goth cat and asks Donna, "What is the mathematical term for an angle less than 90? She smiles, looking at Lenny like he is dinner. "A cute angle," she purrs, "because it's yellow and so adorable." Ronnie the Rocker raccoon falls off his chair laughing. Professor Pie begrudgingly says, "Okay, I'll accept that, but it is pronounced acute." He turns to Percival, the salsa-loving pig dressed for salsa dancing. Red silk shirt, black chinos. "Percy, describe an equilateral triangle." Percival responded with a red rose in his mouth. "I go by Percival Rodrigo Esteban. I don't know if it's equilateral, but the triangle between Dolly the sheep, Disco Dog, and Felicia the vixen." The three of them were sat together on a two-person desk looking very embarrassed at the mention. "Well, not Disco!" He smiles and says, "I love them both equally." Ronnie the Rocker raccoon falls off his chair, again laughing like a hyena. Henrietta the hyena had to tell him to stop copying her. Professor turns to Jack the goat. "Jack Horner, what's pie?" And don't try to be clever. In the corner, the goat, little Jack Horner, sticks his face in a pie, pulls out a plum, and bleats out, "What a good boy am I!" The giggling subsides. Stopped cars, Donna had her hand up. "Yes, Donna," Professor Pie asks, knowing there could be trouble ahead. "Professor Pie, are we in Oz?" Professor looks befuddled, spits out a feather, whilst the class erupts in laughter. Although looking out the window with the flying frogs, it sure could be.